Good morning, first graders. Here we are on Friday. Yay, we've done it. You guys have gotten through another week of distance learning, and I'm so proud of all of the hard work that you are doing. So this week we've learned all about fireflies, and on Wednesday we read the Fireflies for Nathan story, and you've gotten to enjoy learning some interesting facts about fireflies. I hope there's something that you learned that you didn't know before. All right, so getting into our last day of blueprints for the week, our theme is we can do it. Our strategy is to summarize, and our skill is sequence of events. And we did that on Wednesday when we read Fireflies for Nathan. We summarized afterwards and we put it in order of sequence of events. Let's go over what summarize means one more time. In my own words, from beginning, middle, end, I tell the story to my friend. So you can summarize with any book that you read at home. It doesn't just have to be the books that we're doing together. If you read a book at home with your family, when you're finished, summarize it. Tell what happened in the beginning, middle, and end. It's great practice. All right, today we are on, let's see here, I start to lose track after the days. We are on our stretchers, so get your stretchers ready. Here we go. First word is torch. Good job. Next word is man. Next word is porch. Next word is patch. Good job. Last word is step. Let's do this one together. Step. St-ep. Step. How many of you heard the 4 sounds in that one? All right, great job. All right, taking a look at those affixes we focus this week, we have the prefix dis. Here we go. Prefix. Sound. Meaning. Not or apart. Remember, you can use those hand motions that you got to make up. Prefix. Sound. Should be saying re. Meaning. Again or back. Suffix. Sound. Remember, it can make 3 sound. Ed, d, or t. Meaning. Happened in the past. Suffix. Sound. Meaning. Full of. Now, we've been doing this for 4 days, so we're going to zippity pippity through these right now. We have disappear, which means to not appear anymore. We have reappear, which means to appear again. We have the suffix ed at the end of the word, which means it happened in the past. Streaked means it happened in the past. We have the suffix full, which means full of. So if you're helpful, you are full of, yep, you said it, help. All right, it's Friday, it's Friday, woo, woo, it's Friday, which means we're not spelling our words. We're just gonna read them. All right, let's see if we can do it. I'm gonna say word. I want you to see if you can read it yourself, and then we'll say it with you. Here we go. Word. Should have said minute. Good job. Word. Already. Word. You say it first. Did you say above? Good job. Word. Against. Word. Caught. Word. Pulls. Word. Head. Ooh, it's a big word. Word. Everywhere. Word. Gone. Oh, you got this one easy peasy. Word. Yep, you should have said it. Do. The next one's easy too. Word. Yep, it's your. And last one, word, is from. All right, here we go. Let's do some sounds. First sound, R. Yep, you should have said R. Or. Again, or. What's that sound? Yep, you should be saying sound. Again, sound. One last time, good job, sound. makes two sounds. Oo or sound. Should have said O, sound. Yep, that should have been aw, sound. Yep, you knew that one. E, sound. Makes two sounds. O or ow. Last one, sound. Yep, you got it. K. All right, here we go. We are on day 5. Woohoo! Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. So it could say ow or it could say oh. Let's blend it together. Is it glow or glow? Yep, it's glow. You got it. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Great job. Should have said keep. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Tux. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend it together. You should have she. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Sound. Sound. Blend. So it should be app. Second syllable, sound. Sound, that makes the E. Blend. E. Sound. Blend. We have ear, peer. Blend. Let's blend it together. Appear. All together now. Appear. Good job. Let's clap it out. How many syllables? Appear. Appear. Yep, you should be showing me 2 syllables and it's divided between the twins, the 2 P's. Superstars is what you are. Great job, first graders. I'm so proud of you. Happy Friday. Good job. Good luck and all the rest of your work done for today, and then enjoy your weekend. Nice job. See ya next week.